How do oil companies know where to drill when the oil is hidden thousands of feet beneath the ocean floor? They don't simply guess. Survey vessels can send sound waves toward the seabed using specialized seismic equipment. Those waves travel through underground rock layers and reflect differently when they encounter different geological structures. Sensors record the returning signals, and computers use that data to build detailed images of the rock formations below. Geologists then search for structures that could trap oil and natural gas. But seismic data doesn't prove oil is there. The only way to confirm a promising reservoir is usually to drill an exploration well. So before an offshore rig ever produces oil, years of geological investigation may have already happened.